Hello and welcome to Daddy in the Kitchen, where I make tasty and healthy recipes for kids. Today we are making a simple red sauce pasta with eggs using store-bought pasta sauce. First boil about a liter of water and add 200 grams of pasta. You can use any pasta of your choice. Add some salt and let the pasta to cook for about 10 minutes. Follow the instructions on the pack if you are not very sure. So it's been 10 minutes for the pasta that I've used. You can see it's almost al dente. So I'm turning off the heat and immediately we are going to drain this. First I'm retaining some of the pasta water to make the sauce. Now drain all the water immediately and pour some cold water. This will stop the pasta from getting cooked further. Just let this aside to cool down. Now to make the sauce in a pan, heat about 2 tablespoons of olive oil or any vegetable oil of your choice. Add 3 cloves of garlic that's finely chopped and saute this till the garlic releases its aroma. Now next I'm going to add some onions. So I've taken about one medium sized onion that's finely chopped. Now fry this till the onions become translucent. I'm adding some chili flakes and some Italian seasoning. If you don't have chili flakes, you can use a little bit of chili powder. Now the onions have become soft, so I'm adding about 3 tablespoons of store-bought pizza pasta sauce. So this is a quick recipe. If you want, you can make the pizza pasta sauce, but that'll take a lot of time. So we are just using the store-bought one today. Now I'm adding some of the pasta water to make this little saucy. I'm adding some more sauce, so you can always add later if you want according to the taste. Add more water to make it slightly thin. Once this is boiling, check the salt, because till now we've not added any salt, and the sauce itself will have a lot of salt, so mildly salt this after tasting it. And the pasta water will also have some salt because we salted it. Now add the pasta and mix this well. So you can add a little bit of Indian flavors to this, like adding a bit of chili powder, a little bit of garam masala. That'll give a nice taste and it'll suit the Indian palate. Next, I'm making a simple omelette to go with this pasta to add some proteins to it. Add some chili powder to the eggs, some salt, and beat this slightly. Next, heat a tawa and pour some oil. Pour the egg, and we are just going to make a simple omelette. So once it's cooked on one side, gently flip this and cook the other side as well. See, if you have some leftover chicken, you can use the shredded chicken with the pasta, or if you're making it veg, you can use broccoli, baby corns, Basically, you can use anything that will go with the tomato sauce. Now I'm rolling my omelette and I'm going to cut this into pinwheels. So this will make it a little attractive for the kids to immediately bounce on it. And this is a technique which I learned from one of my friends some years back. Now let's plate the pasta onto a serving plate with a good serving portion. I'm just grating some cheese on top. This is totally optional. You can add some chopped coriander also. That will give a nice flavor. And I'm just placing the egg pinwheels on top. You can see how beautiful this is. Kids these days love global cuisine, and so this is a very simple pasta recipe for you to try. Kids will definitely enjoy this and hope you will get to make this at home. For more such tasty and healthy recipes, do subscribe to Daddy in the Kitchen and click the bell button. Thank you.